everyone and welcome back to my channel, and I am excited because I'm doing a very different kind of video. It's not those mainstream videos that I do about reviewing or giving you fashion tips, but yes, I am doing a very different kind of video today, and I hope you people like it. And if you like it, I promise to make more such videos. So yes, I am doing a video on what to gift him, so gift ideas for your boyfriends, your husbands, your partner, or anybody in person, your brother, your father. So it's all gift ideas for him. These are the things that I'm going to show you today are a few little things that I bought for my husband just recently, which I want to share with all you lovely ladies out there. So they can be small ideas for gifting, small gift ideas for gifting your husband or your partner, as I said, or for that matter of fact any male, because I think they go with all age groups. So the first thing that I would want to start off is with this is a Hugo Boss signature 4cc coin bee wallet. So I got this from Thailand. It's a nice and yet a very reasonable wallet for whoever you want to gift it to. So let me give you a 360-degree view. It's a pretty nice black color leather wallet with Hugo Boss engraved right here, and you open it and yes, this is the Hugo Boss tag, and it costed me 6,400 baht, so it is pretty reasonable for gifting somebody. And it's a nice wallet with these 3 compartments here and these credit card holders and slit pockets on the side. So this is one gift idea which I think is preferably good because it's budget friendly, it is smart, and it is a nice brand. So yes, you can definitely give this to someone. It's a Hugo Boss wallet. I will put all the link and the information to all my products down in the description box below, so do go and check it out. The second thing that I would want to show you is this nice organizer. This is, let me just tell you from where it is first. This is from a brand called Leather Talk. So I recently had gone to Calcutta and my husband found this for himself and I got it. So it's a nice leather box. So this all here is leather, and again it was not expensive. It costed me just about 1500 rupees, 1500 or up to 1700 rupees, which is not expensive. Again, you can gift this to your father, your brother as well. So it's a nice organizer inside. You can see it says glasses here, wallet here, watch here, keys here, cufflinks here, and you can get clip in your pens here and keep your cards here. So it is a nice organizer that you can give to your gift to anybody, which is cheap, reasonable, classy, yet sophisticated and elegant, and it does solve the purpose of keeping your partner organized, which I think many girls can relate to because boys aren't organized, but there are some boys who are way too organized. That gets really annoying as well. So yes, so this is a nice organizer that you can give to your partner. Again, a nice smart piece you can keep on your side table. And yeah, so this is another gift idea for him. The next thing that I did recently buy for my husband on his birthday was an Ermenegildo Zenga. Now, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. Please read it for yourself. I hope it's clear. If it's not clear on the lens or on the camera, I will definitely put a link and the name and the description of this in the description box down below. So this is the Javanese patchouli. I had gotten this from Dubai. Yes, this is a little pricey. It costed me around 150 US dollars, which is expensive for a perfume. So it is an amazing perfume bottle. So ta-da, it's a beautiful perfume bottle, and it has this sweet but yet a very masculine smell to it, which I love about. So it's not very masculine, but it is masculine. So it has that a little bit of feminine touch to it, which I feel when men wear it just turns me on. So yes, this is what I bought for my husband recently on his birthday, which was on the 13th of May. So this is an okay, let me try and pronounce it. Ermenegildo Zenga. Is that right? I hope so. So yes, this is a perfume. There are a lot of other perfumes that you can gift to your partner. I will put the perfume names down below so you can check them out, but this is one that I just got and I wanted to show you lovely ladies out there. So yeah, so this was the perfume. It came in this cute smart little bottle, massive 100 ml bottle, which I bought for my husband. And as I just mentioned that I had recently gone to Calcutta for some shopping and for some work, so I got these these summer clothes. Summer's approaching and we are going on a trip to Europe, so I planned on buying some clothes for my husband. And yes, I went to Nautica. So if you know this brand Nautica, wait, I'll show you the tag. So this is the brand Nautica, and I did get my husband's these swimming trunks as well as a short. So these are nice swimming trunks and as well as a short. They were a little pricey. They costed me 4,000 rupees, and yes, but they are smart. And as we're going to Europe, I feel it was perfect bringing this for him. Let me tell you, I always buy gifts according to the occasion and planning in the future. So as I told you, we're going to Europe. Buying these shorts were like good because, you know, he will wear these shorts in front of me. I get very happy and excited when people use their gifts which I gift them. So keeping the trip in mind, I did get my husband these Nautica shorts and he really loved them. So you can gift him these nice pricey little swimwear if your husband or your partner or your father, brother is very fond of swimming. I also did a little bit of shopping from Aeropostale, the brand Aeropostale, which is quite reasonable. So I got him two shirts and a t-shirt from Aeropostale. So the t-shirt, and they're very budget friendly. So each costed me around 1,500 or 600. So this is the Aeropostale t-shirt in the size small that I bought my husband. And here is the Aeropostale tag. Here, if you can read it. Aeropostale. So yes, keeping the holiday in mind again, I did get him a shirt, and I feel gifting clothes to people who love wearing clothes is not a bad idea anytime because they will wear it. And only the problem with clothes is the size, but if you know the size of the person you're gifting it to, what else? I mean, it's perfect because, you know, no one can say no for clothes. So this is a shirt that I got him. It's a nice half sleeve summer shirt, again by Aeropostale. You can see the logo right here. So this is another shirt, and the other shirt here is a nice check half sleeve shirt again by Aeropostale. So yes, I basically just showed you, it was not basically everything that I gifted him, but I bought it for him. But these are the little bit of ideas that I just wanted to share with you, that you can gift your partner a perfume, you can gift your partner, or you can gift anybody male, like, you know, a him, you can gift him a organizer. You can also give them watches, and if they're fond of cufflinks, you can gift the person you want to gift a cufflink or a nice pen, or you can go for a wallet, you can go for belts, you can go for shoes. So there are heaps and heaps of options. These are the few items that I recently bought, which I showed it to you. I will put the options of what you can gift him down in the description below, so you will get a clear view. There was this girl, okay, a big shout out to this girl, Kritika Singhal. She was my first subby to mail me. She mailed me asking that what should I gift my boyfriend for his birthday, which is coming, and she wanted to gift him a watch which is very reasonable and budget friendly. So yes, so she gifted him a watch. And hi Kritika, thank you for mailing me. I enjoyed reading your mail, and I am a big fan of yours because you are following me and you were my first subscriber to email me. So thank you for the mail, and I hope my reply was useful and it did come of some help to you. And anyways, so these were this little bit of items that I wanted to show you, and I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, please do let me know, so I will do more such videos. This was very unlike me. I don't do gift ideas right now. I've not started with this concept. I'm basically reviewing all the fashion products and all my lifestyle fashion products that I have. But yes, I hope I've solve the purpose of all you lovely ladies sitting on the other side of the screen trying to look for gifts to gift him. There are a lot of options which I'll put in the description below, so please do go check it out. Do stay connected with me on social media. Thank you for watching this video, and I love you all immensely for supporting me all this time. Mwah. Love you so much, and do see you next time in my next video. Bye bye and see you soon.